Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change and customize the wallpaper for the lock screen on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max and to change and customize the wallpaper it is very easy. Just push it long on the home screen. From here you can customize this one, but I want to change it. For that, swipe to the right and add a new one. Tap on the plus sign. And here we have some wallpapers. These are featured wallpapers from the iPhone. And also you can choose if you want some suggested photos. These are my photos. You can swipe between them and choose your favorite style. Also you can choose another photo and you can go to all photos and choose your favorite. If you don't want a photo, we have also some interesting wallpapers here. We have weather and astronomy. You can choose the weather from your own place, and also here are some interesting wallpapers with the Earth, Moon, and some planets. Let's choose this one, for example, and you can swipe between styles, go to the right and choose another planet if you want, and let's say, for example, Saturn. And from here you can choose the style for the clock. You can do it bigger, and also you can change the color. And here you can delete or add some widgets. It is very easy and nice. You can add your Apple Watch if you want, and we have a lot of widgets here. And here is the date. Also you can choose the date, you can choose the weather if you want, or another widget. Okay, and then when all it's over, just tap add. You can set as a wallpaper pair if you want, and this is how will look the home screen. And also you can customize the home screen. You can choose a color, and I will choose a gradient because I like more than pair. So I will choose gradient and then just tap done. And this is how will look my new wallpaper. Just tap on it, and this is now my lock screen. Also, if you want to change it, again push it long on the wallpaper, and now swipe to the right and add another wallpaper. We have a lot here. Also we have some kaleidoscope wallpapers with emoji, unity, and we have here pride collections and some colors. Okay, so in my opinion it is very easy. You can change it back with the original wallpaper if you want, but I will let now this one. Tap on it, and that's all. So I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.